This was down to the bare metal, and you know how much paint it took to do it, undercoat and all that. Start a fresh bare metal job. You're gonna be surprised. These are all the tins of paint that I've used on this car, right, from a bare metal job. So you got 80 liters of thinners, 36 liters of color, and 28 liters of undercoat, plus 2 small tins, that's each primer, and 6 liters of kill rust. I've already thrown 1 tin away, to be honest, so it's 8 liters, but there's a bit left in this one, so I made it into 6 liters. That's how much it took of paint. No wonder it's costing me a fortune. No wonder they charge a lot when you get a car sprayed, but that's if it's bare metal anyway. Whew. I'm glad that's all behind me. Look at it all. It's all on here, inside and out. That's a lot of paint. I just happen to keep the tins to see how much I'm going to use up. Okay, that's enough of that.